The ingredients are egg, banana, sugar, butter, salt, 1 liter milk, baking soda, flour, cheese. First, we mix 3 main ingredients, which are butter, sugar, and egg, both until an homogeneous mixture created. A mixture to create it. We add a little salt, 2 to them with a cup of flour, and a cup of milk. I will beat both of these ingredients until they are mixed very well. Then we can add a pinch of baking soda, 2 heads of milk or baking flour. And finally we add to all preparation a lot of grated cheese and some banana. Some banana slices. When we have our preparation, we can to the hook pan and cover low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes,